up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a makeup related video for you guys. So I had a company reach out to me asking if I wanted some makeup products from them, and I of course said yes because I always love trying new makeup and it's always so fun to play around with. I used their eyeshadow palette today on my eyes, which I absolutely love, and I tried their eyeliner, which is also amazing. So I'm going to show you guys everything I got from the company and just tell you guys a little bit about it so you guys can possibly try it too if you want to. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get started. So the name of the company I think is Focallure or something in that area. I've tried to watch other people's videos so I can learn how to pronounce it, but most of them are not from the United States, so they have an accent. So I'm not sure how to properly pronounce it, but that's what I think. I think that's how you pronounce it. So like I said, the first thing that I got is an eyeshadow palette. It is the 30 pan eyeshadow palette called Endless Possibilities. And I specifically got to pick out the palette that I wanted, which I was really excited about because I did see an Instagram ad for this palette and I actually really liked it. So this is obviously the one that I decided that I wanted. So this is the range of colors in there, which I think is so cute. So the colors that I used on my eyes today is Hot, Ruby, and Barbie. Those are the colors I used today on my eyeballs. But I'm actually really excited to test it out. So far, I think the eyeshadow is absolutely amazing. I love how well it blended and how pigmented it is. I did not honestly expect it to be the way that it is. So that makes me really excited. I was so excited to try this palette. It's not even funny. I'm so excited to try the yellow and like the blues. I'm just like really excited. Like I can't wait to mess around with it. I will do a makeup look for you guys. I don't know if you want me to try, like recreate the one that I'm wearing right now for you, or just do like a different crazy look just for fun. So this is the makeup eyeshadow palette that I got. So the next thing I got is a highlight. I got to choose the highlight. I got to choose everything I basically got. I got to the Diamond Glow highlight. This is the packaging. I think the packaging is really cute. I was really excited when I saw everything. And then I opened this, and this is the packaging for the highlight, which I think is cute. It's clear, but like it's sparkly, you know what I mean? And then it's like a white highlight. It's like really pretty. I did not use it today because I'm actually going somewhere, and if I don't like it, I don't want to have to like take off my makeup and like redo it. But like swatching it, I am like really excited about it. It looks really good. But yeah, so it is the Diamond Glow highlighter FA97. I don't know if that matters for you guys to know. I just flung it out of the box. I guess you guys would need to know like the Starlight 01. I think that's the name of it. I'm like really bad at this whole makeup thing. I'm sorry guys. So the next thing I got is the Sun Kissed Blush Duo. And this is the packaging. So your girl is not a huge blush person just because I don't really use it. But I'm excited to try this out. I took it out of the packaging and I think this is so cute. The feel of it is amazing, which I don't know if the feel of it matters to some people, but like I like the way it feels, which sounds crazy, but I really like it. And everything comes with a mirror. The mirrors aren't the best, but they're not like awful. But this is the duo together. I think it's a little too red for me personally because I am very fair, so I should have gotten like a more pinky blush, but from the picture it looked a little more pink. And it's called Rose Flamingo. So but like I'm still gonna try it. I'm gonna try all of this in a video together just using their products besides like foundation and stuff, like the stuff I didn't get. But I'm definitely gonna try this out and hopefully give it a try, and hopefully it works for me. So that's the blush. The next thing I got is a Artist Superfine Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 4. This is the packaging. I think their packaging for everything is actually like really cute. I'm kind of obsessed with it. When I opened this one, I was a little confused because I don't understand. Oh yeah, oh my god, they give you an extra one. That is so nice. I think this one might be a little dark for me, which is fine. I guess, I mean, I'll still try it for the video. I just might be looking like a crazy person just because it's too dark, which is fine. So the next thing I got is a eyeliner. I'm very big on eyeliner. It looks exactly like the eyeshadow, not eyeshadow, eyebrow pencil case, except this one says liquid eyeliner on it. Like I said, I did use it today, so I love the soft like feel of the packaging, which is also really nice. And I did not expect the eyeliner to look like this. I think it is awesome. I am obsessed with it. It's hard to do a wing with it just because of the way the brush is, but it's like the perfect for like your line right here, and then you can do a little wing and then like fix it up. So the last thing I got are the capsule lipsticks in the shades Kiddo 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't know I was getting like little lipsticks. They said pick out 3 shades, and I don't know. I think they just sent me random ones, which is totally fine. I'm like grateful that they even contacted me. But this is the little capsule. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And it's a little lipstick. Oh my god, that is adorable. I did not expect it to be like that. I don't know if these are like trials, so like you can test it and then see if you like it. Oh, the feel of it is awesome. It feels very creamy. I want this to focus because it looks so pretty. Look at that. I love that. Oh my god, I want to do it now, but I have pink eyes, so I don't feel like it'll look right. Oh my goodness, I didn't expect them to look like that. I want to look at this one. Okay. These are so cute. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna do, oh, that one's more of a ruby red. I like that one a lot. I'm obsessed. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of obsessed. This is like perfect travel size too. Well, that's everything I got from them. I'm so excited. Thank you again for sending me these products and letting me try them and talk about them for you guys. I'm really excited to do a makeup look on this. Maybe not the next video because I do have some pre-filmed already. Maybe I'll post one next year. You know, because it's like 2 days till the new year. Okay, not funny. But I can't wait, so look out for a video soon trying all the products. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.